turn things into gold. No explanation needed.
If I could choose any superpower, I would definitely choose the power to be invisible and also go through walls and stuff, because I feel like it'd just be more productive. I'd have the superpower to teleport, because I want to, you know, go across the whole world and stuff and perform everywhere. What a sensible answer. That's my ideal life goal.
Be invisible because I'd fly. Yeah, I thought that was where are we going to fly to? Anywhere you want. Exactly. That's the beauty of it. No more staying in traffic. Yeah.
I would fly because when I'm on tour, I'm on airplanes all the time, and it would be a lot more fun to be able to just fly places.
I would have the power to become invisible, like this.
If I had any superpower, it would be super speed.
Okay.
Super speed's a good one, because I feel like it's not
bad.
You know.
If I could have any superpower, it would be to have a genie appear, and then you get infinite wishes,
and
then you get infinite superpowers.
You thought about it. Well done.
Thank you.
If I had a superpower, I would like to stop time. Ooh, and why would you like to stop time? Because it seems great. I could take a nap whenever I wanted to. I could have taken a nap right here. Stop the time, you wouldn't know. That's a good one.
If I could have any superpower, I would have the power of strength. I would have it because, I don't know, I just feel like it'd be sick if you could just stop a car or...
Go on, try to pick me up, try to pick me up. Go, pick me up.
See, it would have been a lot easier if you had super strength.
If I had to have any superpower, I think I'd be able to move things with my mind. Because then I could like mess with people, and I can make myself fly as well. I'd like full pranks on people.
Yeah, if I had a superpower, it would literally just be to fly, because you need no passport, no security checks. You can just go straight to America and be back in a week.
If I could have any superpower, that would either be to fly or to breathe underwater.
That's pretty cool, actually. If I was to have a superpower, it would be to stop time. So 1, I'd never be late.
Whoa.
2, I could go on holiday and catch a town whenever. And 3, I can lay in every day. Sit down.
Nice.
I think I'd be invisible.
I'd probably be able to fly or become invisible, or be invisible and fly at the same time. Can I cheat and do that? But yeah, probably that.
I think I would choose to fly because I love flying and I'm an indoor skydiver, so I think that'd be cool.